tayong Cherry, yan, Tigo, Touring. Ayan guys, so finish tayo. So ito maluwag na ating wheel filter. Ayan, ayan guys, gamit natin ng filter rinse. Oh, winit. Yep. So ito na yan guys, lagyan natin yung Cherry. Ayan, yung Cherry. Okay. Guys, okay na guys, ang ating wheel filter, rinse natin yung bago. So ito naman tayo sa drain plug. 8. Ayan guys, ito natin. Ayan. Okay. So lagyan natin kanyang engine oil sa drain plug bolt nya. Ayan. Okay guys. Ayan guys, kita natin. Okay. Okay guys. So ito yun guys, 5 liters yan guys. Ayan. Ito yung engine oil nya. Ayan. So ginawa tayo ng ayan guys. So mag-reset tayo ng kanyang oil maintenance. So dito tayo sa Cherry. Dito sa special function, dito sa reset maintenance. Ayan. Okay, so yan guys, complete na. Okay na guys, naka basic. Off natin, tapos on, start. Ayan guys, so start natin engine. Okay, ilaw. Ayan, start. Ayan guys, yan. Dito makikita ang kanyang easy filter, ating Tigo 2 na Cherry, nandito sa ilalim guys. So yan guys, okay na, nakabitan natin. Okay, ating air filter guys. So ayan, malinis naman ito guys. Okay na guys, bitan natin yung mga bolt nya. Okay. Okay guys, ang kanyang oil engine level. Ayan. Ayan guys, so okay na, sakto. Okay. Ayan guys.